5 best plants in your house for your health. Maintaining houseplants can also be good for your physical health. Some plants remove toxins from the air through the process of photosynthesis. When plants undergo photosynthesis, they remove carbon dioxide from the air and produce oxygen. Plants can also take up toxic chemicals from the air and incorporate them into their own tissues. The list of houseplant benefits doesn't end there. Plants can increase oxygen levels in your home, which can help reduce headaches, improve focus, and improve your overall mood. Plants can also help increase the humidity in your home and soothe dry skin. So, let's take a look at the 5 best plants in your house for your health. 1. Peace lilies. Peace lilies, which belong to the Spathiphyllum genus, have a reputation for being easy to grow and are especially suitable for novice gardeners who question their ability to keep houseplants alive. Many studies show they are also good for the air quality in your home. A study found that peace lilies help remove carbon dioxide and formaldehyde from the air. This plant contains calcium oxalate, a substance that can irritate the stomach and respiratory tract when ingested in large amounts. So keep the lily of peace out of reach of children and pets. Peace lilies can be placed in medium to low light, but are more likely to flower in bright, indirect light. Don't overwater them, but keep the soil moist. 2. Golden pothos, another easy-to-maintain plant. Golden pothos is more than beautiful with tendrils and heart-shaped leaves. Also known as a natural air purifier, golden pothos can effectively reduce ozone levels in your house. Also, other previous studies on the air purification effects of plants showed that, like the peace lilies, pothos plants can remove volatile organic compounds, called VOC, from the air. Golden pothos, like the peace lilies, contains oxalic acid, so keep it out of reach of children and pets. This low-maintenance plant is also suitable for people who water it infrequently. Be careful not to overwater them. 3. Spider plant. Spider plants are great for removing formaldehyde from your home's air. This comes from all sorts of things you bring into your home, like paper bags, tissue paper, paper towels, napkins, synthetic fabrics, and more. In addition to formaldehyde, snake plants also target carbon monoxide and other chemicals. If you have poor indoor air quality and don't have a lot of green thumbs, spider plants may be what you need. Spider plants can grow in any soil and only need to be watered occasionally. If you can think of watering her often enough to keep her soil moist, that's really all it takes to keep this plant alive and thriving. 4. Dracaena Warneckii. The Warneckii Dracaena, or Janet Craig plant, is an elegant plant with long, tapering leaves that may also help eliminate airborne toxins. But like other plants, the plant is toxic to animals such as cats and dogs. Doesn't require much manual care, but keep your Dracaena out of direct sunlight. She should thrive in moderate, indirect light. Let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. 5. Snake plant, another great houseplant. The snake plant is one of the most popular indoor air quality plants. In fact, it does most of its work at night, converting carbon dioxide to oxygen while you sleep. The snake plant also removes all types of toxins from the air, including trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, toluene, benzene, and xylene. You probably need multiple plants to optimize the air cleaning capacity of your entire home. You probably also need some help understanding the words I just said. Plan for 6 to 8 waist-high snake plants for optimal air purification. Snake plants are considered one of the easiest plants to care for and do great when exposed to indirect sunlight. They don't really need to be watered much. So, the bottom line of this video, if you are new to plant care, don't worry. Ask your local plant store for advice. Once you've settled on a few plants, be sure to follow all light and drainage directions, as these are the biggest factors contributing to plant health. It's also smart to start with plants that fit your lifestyle. If you have a toddler or any pets, or are away often, you need low-maintenance plants that are not toxic for kids or pets. So, grow your collection of plants and breathe in the fresh air. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Please like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.